Okay, the pipe broke off right here because the tailpipe attached. The hole for on the tailpipe where the screw goes in, it broke. Okay, that's fine. So nothing on the bike broke, just that. And it was the exhaust pipe was banging into this bolt. I don't know why, like it was tied. It was too close to it, so it was like denting the exhaust pipe. I don't know why though. So that was an issue. It didn't break a hole in it, but it was denting. The guy had just, I got off of, he redid it, put in, this was new, and some other stuff. He wanted to race it. Everything was working fine, it really was. I was learning how to use this, the idling screw, whatever that shit is. But yeah, it's got all the bolts on it. I don't know if you can see. This guy wasn't really giving me a problem, but it was black. It was melting. This was melting. Let me see. There's red. It's like a gasket or something. It was melting, probably from getting too hot. And I'm not sure this. I replaced that recently. It shouldn't be too bad. I don't know how often things need replaced, but and I got it a new boot. That is new. That is new. But the wire in here, at the end of that wire, it's it looks like it needs to be like cut open and the copper, so the copper could show more. It's all like, yeah, breaking off. Okay, these wires, it's light. You can't see, there's a lot of wires in here. But the light doesn't want to turn on. I don't know why, I couldn't figure it out. So I just attached it. I took off the racing cover so I can get off. He had welded parts once they'd fit, so I'm assuming some of that, maybe something didn't go on there, like the racing thing on the front, the shield, the windshield, yeah. So he'd welded some screws on, but this still comes off. Yeah, the speedometer, oh God, it's so dusty, my poor baby. Speedometer doesn't work, because like I said, he was using it for racing, and he didn't care about that. These lights are not connected. It needs new, that's not a big deal, I could get that. I know I could get that. But, other than that, I mean, the brakes look alright. It's just really squeaky. It's got a, I need a new one of these. Oh wait, maybe not. No, that's fine. Oh shit, it's stuff gas in it. Okay, I gotta fix that. I gotta empty that. I didn't know that. Okay. This side looks good. The other side, I could probably get it replaced. And yeah, it broke, but it still screws on. Of course, oil flings everywhere. I guess it's just, they call it the black wheel of death or some shit. But on that, I mean, it drips. I heard it was normal. But this tire's flat too. Okay. This opens up just fine. Okay. This works. Brakes are fine. They just squeak. Of course, the light doesn't work. I could not get. It looks like there's two holes, but yet I couldn't get the windshield to go screw in. I don't know why. I can't remember. Some bolt was too long, or did it fit? Or no, the thread. The thread was fucked up, so I need a new mirror. And the other one, I didn't have the other one. He didn't give it to me. Yeah, but the buttons work, he said. And yeah, these lights worked. They probably still do, I'm not sure. Or was it, yeah, this one works. Not these, not these. That one, I have the license plate too. It's registered. But this thing is beat up. I got it like that. It just needs a couple bolts to make it, yeah, other than that, that's not a big deal. I mean, it could be fixed, but I'll probably just get a new one. Other than that, that's it.